Hello and welcome to IT Security Labs, and today we're doing day 15 of Advent of Cyber Challenge. This is secure coding, and we'll be learning about the importance of input validation and why we need to check for input validation as we upload our files. So I highly encourage you to read through this if you have not done secure coding and input validation. And we also get sample code that shows us how to properly put it all together and check for validation whether the file is a PDF or not. But we'd like to jump straight to our questions here. What is the name given to file uploads that allow threat actors to upload any files that they want? This one, if you read through, it says unrestricted. So unrestricted file upload causes problems for people. What is the title of the web application developed by Santa's freelancer? We can go and visit here. All right, so the website's name is Santa Sidekick 2. What is the value of the flag stored in href documents directory? So in order for us to do that, let's see if we can try to upload any file here. Just use the upload. There is an error, okay, because we need to actually upload a real file. So let's browse. Let's go to the tools for, let's just upload any of these. SQL.desktop, I don't care. Just want to see if it actually upload anything. If you do upload, SQL upload, the Santa team will review your CV and get in touch. Since Santa believes strong security, the file has been stored outside of the web root. No unethical elves allowed. Okay, all right, so coming in here and say IPA. Let's use MS Venom to generate our payload. And our IP address should be 10.10.76.11. Okay, so we'll go here. We use MS Venom 10.10.76.11. And this syntax is in the instructions. Okay, we have a file called cvusername.exe. All right, so we have a file on the desktop. Now let's start our listener using MS Venom. Again, same syntax that we're given. Let's just change the IP address to our IP 10.10.76.11. So we are going to now create our listener, and once our listener is done, we'll upload our file. Since there's unrestricted file upload on this thing, we should get interaction. So our listener is working. Let's go and browse. This time we're going to go to the desktop, and here's my name. Open and upload, and we wait for interaction. So let's see. Okay, so after a little bit we get our shell back, so that means that there's some interactions to the file that we uploaded. Where am I? Just type ls. Okay, so we need to go to the C directory. Is it this way? pwd. Okay, so this is the root directory for the file system, and let's see if we see our file here. Okay, it says what is the flag stored in href document directory. Okay, so I need to go to cdc users. Okay, in here, here's flag.txt. All right, there we go. Notify uploads can get URCE. All right. What defense technique can be used to implement to ensure that the file types can be uploaded? We need to validate the extension of these files here. So it's file extension validation. Took me a second to figure out exactly how they wanted me to say it. What defense technique can be used to make sure threat actors cannot recover their file again by simply using file name? Rename the file. File renaming. What defense technique can be used to make sure malicious files that can hurt elves are not uploaded? Malware scanning. All right, so we got done with day 15. And in the next video, we'll do day 16 and day 17 consecutively. Thanks for being here, and I hope to see you in the next video.